Hey guys, welcome back to Me and You's Costco Keep or Return, where we test out Costco products so you don't have to. We look out for them, we research them, and we test them out to let you know if you should keep or return them. So it's a typical Costco run where we go in to shop around and come out with a few random things that may be useful. Today we went home with a KC Underhood Autolight. This was $29.99, 3,500 lumens. It acts kind of like a light bar for off-roading. It's made by KC, which is a reputable off-roading brand that specializes in lighting. And we've reviewed some of their items before, like this flashlight and emergency tool. We'll have links to the video here and in the description box down below. We thought that this might be useful to us because we work on cars and we like to go camping. We're always checking out new products to see if they would be something that we would like to add to our inventory, and we wanted to check this one out. Okay, let's get to the unboxing here. Cool accessory here. Cigarette lighter, plugger, charger, USB and USB-C. Zip ties, and it feels like this. What?
Holy! Oh my God, this
Seriously. Back to our regularly scheduled programming here. Scare the SHIT out of me. The charging cable is in here. See, it rotates here, and it comes with hooks. Hook it on to your roof rack, or if your hood isn't magnetic, like maybe you can hook it somewhere. Charging port. Looks like I have the battery indicator lights. So the first setting is neutral high, and that should last you about 3 hours on full charge. Then it comes medium cool, which lasts you about 6 hours on full charge. Medium warm lasts about 6 hours on full charge. And the last setting, neutral low, can last you up to 15 hours on a full charge. All right, so now let's go test this thing out for some real world application. It's designed to magnetically stick to the hood of your car. So, test one, Porsche. Test one failed. The Porsche's aluminum hood is not magnetic. Well, you could hook it on like this and kind of just dangles here a little bit. You would want it to be kind of like in this area. That didn't work. Wow, that worked well. Aim it to where you would like the light, all the way up there or down here. Test it up here. Didn't work on our roof rack because it's aluminum, but it worked on the body of the car. The backing of where the magnetic piece is a little bit rough. So the backing here is plastic and a little bit rough around the edges. So I could see where some people will be hesitant to put this on the body or the paint of someone's car. Works. You got a mini light bar. You can put two next to each other. The Nissan here works good if you wanted to be working on the hood of a, older vehicle like the Nissan or the Toyota Land Cruiser. Cars made with metal hoods. Okay, this is our high neutral, medium cool, medium warm, and low neutral light. Okay, we have the Evo here. Magnetic test fail. Just dangling in midair. So it's a fail for the Evo. Okay, Rivian, fail. So we just got done finishing testing this out, and here's the thing. We already have work lights that do the same job. This is less bulky, it's easier to hang, and it has a rubber magnet, so we're not worried about scratching our cars. It's been solid for us for both camping and working on our vehicles. To be fair, this KC light is super bright, and it can work well as a camping light, but we just wish it had better brightness control, because sometimes when you're camping, you don't want it to be super bright. But for $29.99, it is a great value. But for us, it didn't really work as an underhood light on all of our cars. And these hooks didn't really work that well either. With a lot of the newer cars using aluminum hoods and body panels, the magnet may not work for you either. If this had worked better across all of our cars, had a softer magnetic setup, and more adjustable brightness, this would have been a COSTCO keep. But for us, this will be a COSTCO return. Thank you for watching. All of our links and information will be in the description box below. We'll have other videos linked up for previous reviews. Let us know what you think in the comments down below, if you would keep or return, or if there's other items you would like us to test out for you. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.